And we're live.
Top of the top. Top of the top. Dude, can we
The
talk about
greatest.
this magic line from yesterday that I drew on YM?
The liquidity magnet.
Look at this. Again, bro. It fucking rejected twice.
That's the liquidity magnet right there, bro.
Crazy, bro. Crazy. Look at this thing, man. Once this breaks, though, I'm gonna put some alerts at 44. What is it? 44,900, and we're cruising eventually. So I really like this opening drive setup on RTY, but I told myself today
You're gonna trade NQ?
I'm gonna wait. Well, no, I have a good eye for what I want to see on NQ, but it's nowhere near what I want to see. I'll explain it all. Let me just explain it all. Let me create this alert. But good morning, welcome in. We got a little surprise for you guys here in a second. We got a little surprise for you guys. But real quick, let's go over the charts. Let's go over what's going on. So, what I'm watching today, NQ. Obviously, big rip yesterday, right? Huge rip skis. Let's go to that daily chart. And we're just in this all-time high momentum mode. Nothing really to work with. That's why I don't like trading all-time highs. It's just like hard. I don't have a lot to work with personally. So we are in this crazy momentum. I did note on SPY. I don't know if it's the same on ES, actually. Let me look. You do have this hammer, inverted hammer on ES. It looks better on SPY in terms of being bearish. It's like an ugly ass inverted hammer.
Mm-hmm.
So I am noting that because if that thing gets super weak, we could be looking for a little bit of selling. Basically, I have like a few key areas I'm watching on NQ specifically.
Mm-hmm.
We have near-term volume point of control 23,250, which is just above this pivot from yesterday, right? So as we come down into here, I am going to be interested in this volume point of control. I don't want it to happen so soon towards the open. I want to be patient.
Hey, smile real quick.
Smile.
All right, cool.
So I'm watching this 23,250 area. This is near-term volume point of control. Obviously below it, we have the sweep here potentially for 23,225, which was that pivot from yesterday. And then we have all this consolidation right here. So this is still a decent amount of support area where if price comes into here, it might hold. So I'm not looking to instantly short this, but if for whatever reason we can get below all these pivots here and fail, like get below this, I think this thing is going to come all the way to 100 and retest the top of this range from last week. That would be kind of the situation I'd be looking for here if we're looking for a continued sell-off. That's pretty much the focus. For a bull scenario, it just back through probably 350 and go higher. And, you know, for a continuation play. But I do want to see how we trade into these 250s and the 225 specifically. So I want to see price get down there. I want to be patient for it. And then that's kind of what I want to see today. So
and make a bunch of money.
Exactly. Make a whole bunch of money and all that type of stuff. So that's my focus. That's what I want to see today. I do like RTY. I'm not even going to talk about it because Lawrence is just going to fucking bitch at me. So
I don't know why you do this every day.
Look at this daily. Look at this. Okay, this is why I like RTY. Look at this.
I don't know why you do this.
We got an ugly inverted hammer yesterday. A little failed attempt to go lower. We are just in this bunch of consolidation in the middle of the range, so it is pretty low probability. But look at this opening drive off VWAP. Fuck you. This looks great, right? Ripstick going. But I'm not
they say every time you say, every time you say but, everything that you say prior doesn't matter.
Okay, for sure. That's fair.
So you could just save me with the nice shit in the beginning.
That's fair.
Just say there's a ripstick here and I'm going for it.
That's fair. All right. Shall we bring in special guest? Got a surprise for you guys. All right.
Look at this guy.
What is good, Brian? Everyone, this is Brian. Brian is ironically, I got both of you here. Both of you have quit your jobs to trade full-time under strong trading.
Yeah.
Brian, you need to go to your mic settings and mute the echo cancellation on the audio so I can hear myself in the background. But we got Brian, who successfully quit his job to trade full-time. Strong trading 1-on-1 client. Brian is the man. Also it just so happens that because Brian's just been killing it with everything, I guess we haven't really announced this yet, but it is coming. So in about 2 weeks, we are going to be launching group coaching in the Discord. That's right. You heard it here first. It's coming. Group coaching in the Discord. Brian will be the Discord moderator, kind of help oversee everything. So everyone that's already in strong trading one-on-one coaching, you already see him. You already kind of know we do have a Discord going. It's already like doing its thing. But when we launch the group coaching, obviously there's going to be more people that join. And Brian will be the moderator in there. So he'll be the boss.
My guy.
When we're not there. So, but Brian's the man. Brian, good morning, man. Say what up. Say what's good.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody.
Excited to have you on, man. I always compliment Brian when we.
Can you still hear yourself?
No, you're good. You're good. Always compliment Brian when we have our sessions one-on-one, because this dude always just comes so prepared. Like he's always he's got questions. He does his check-in. It's been months and months now of one-on-one, and he just always comes to the sessions prepared and looks to get better and has like aha moments and epiphanies. And he's like, oh, I never thought about it like that. I never, and he's implementing what we talk about with trailing stops, different methods for his trading system specifically. So he is, he's just the man. So Brian, I just want to give you kudos, dude. You always crushing it.
Thank you. It's all thanks to your coaching.
We try, man. We try.
So,
all right. What are we
looking for? What are we looking for here? Brian, did you want to explain? Did you want to pretty much give us like a little rundown of what you're looking for in your setup or anything like that?
So, pretty much what I'm looking for on ES is how price reacts to the 6350 level, which is a psychological level that's kind of been like rejecting and holding since last week. This is about last week, Friday, when we got that crazy sell-off. Yesterday, we broke out above it, but then towards the end of the day, we sold off right into it again. So I want to see if we reject it again today, I'll go short. But if we hold above it, I'm going to be long to fill the daily wick.
Nice.
I like it. I don't like potentially buying high a day. That's what I personally would only think about. I would bitch about. But if we get above here and confirm that we hold, I do like that. I want to see. This is what happens when I don't listen to Lawrence.
Bro, it was already ripping.
I know. I'm totally kidding.
I'm about to say it was already ripping.
Oh, God. Good morning. Well, good morning, chat. What's good? Let's say what up. Jeffrey, Rusty, Kay. What's good, Kay? Ray, Alex, Drew, Charles, 20 Square, second day in. That's what's good. Good morning, Jordan, Oscar, Aaron. Let's see. Did we already say Rusty, Alejandro? Reminder to link your copy traders. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you. Holy
Ray's
shit.
legit. Yeah.
Oh my goodness gracious. I'll remember that in a good way. Thank you, Ray. Next time I do some giveaways, I might rig it so you get the free account. Thank you. On that note, speak of giveaway, I put in the banner down here, but this week giving away 3 straight to funded accounts with top 1 futures.
Nice.
We're gonna do a duck race on Friday. Top 3 winners. First place gets 150K straight to funded account. Second place gets 100K. Third place gets 50K. All straight to funded. No challenges. No combines.
You're not going to be on Austin this Friday? Are you saying that like?
No, we'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it on Austin stream. I'll be like, hey, we need to pause this for a giveaway, bro. Come on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So all you got to do is use code STRONG to buy anything. So it's like if you do buy an eval, that's fine. You can do that, but you'll be entered to win. Every purchase gets an entry, so you can't obviously buy multiple accounts. Let's say you buy multiple accounts. Every single purchase will enter you to win. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the link here. Enter the giveaway. Use code STRONG.
So we opened up pretty flat this morning, bro. It looks like the market is taking a breather, huh?
Yeah, dude, I honestly hate trading all-time highs, bro. It's just like I just dislike it a lot because there's just not a lot of structure to work with. Really, there's not a lot of structure to work with. I'm not a fan of it. So, I do like what NQ is doing right now, though. I want this to fail. I want NQ
to dump,
to die. Yeah, I want it to die down really aggressively and fast into this volume point of control area, and if that can hold.
Yeah, I'm pretty short as of right now. I'm short biased.
That's fair.
Just looking at the higher time frame.
Cool. We're starting to get heavy here, and it's coming to this prior day low in this 250 area.
Looks like it's about to go for London lows.
We got divergence here. YM's getting up there.
So whenever we had the divergence, how do you interpret that?
Good question. Some people are really big about divergences and they live or die by them. For me, it's just rotation. So money rotating into YM right now, it's like obviously it does stem from bigger picture names, right? And I think we see more divergences like this around earnings season, because when you have names that report for earnings, you're going to have, if Nvidia is ripping or something and crushing it, NASDAQ is going to be crushing it, while meanwhile maybe YM and RTY and stuff could be dying. Vice versa, let's say Home Depot has some killer blowout earnings for whatever reason. You could see YM ripping, and then maybe like the tech sector is weak. That's rotation, right? That's divergent. So I think we see it more around specifically earnings season. Other than that, I just try to collect it as information. I know that's why I like to hop around and like kind of look at these different names too, because some are stronger than the other. Like YM right now is really, really strong and looking great. So look at this push. Solid. Let's see, dude, because if we finally get it back above this thing, man, dude, I just want to take this all the way to the moon. Once we get above this magic line that I talked about yesterday, let's extend it.
I don't think we have. Well, we do have some type of data at 10 a.m., but it's an orange folder.
Yeah, I don't
Richmond
think
Manufacturing Index. I've never heard of that.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be. Nvidia's down 2%. Okay, that could be causing some weakness for sure, because YM and RTY are really starting to get some love here. If we can get some pullbacks on those, I'm interested in the RTY long, to be honest. Let's see what we got. We got 6350. Brian, for you to enter this 6350 setup, what do you need?
Right now, I'm looking short.
You're looking short. Okay.
Right now, I'm looking short with the stop above 63.52. I just need a 5-minute signal to entry candle.
Yeah, something to actually enter. See, we're coming into my levels here. I'm looking potentially for the longs and MNQ here, because we're coming right into it. We're coming into prior day low. We're coming into this area here. Okay. I'm probably going to have a couple attempts around here, around this zone. So here's this. I'm just shy of prior day low.
Okay, we already went through London lows.
One more push lower. One more little push lower here. Or I'm
yeah, we're definitely going to get another push lower.
Nope.
I don't know. It looks pretty.
I think I'm going to manage this really, really tightly.
I would like for you to.
Okay.
Yeah, because if you go to the 5-minute chart, it looks like we're about to sweep of 255s. Yeah. Go to the 5-minute chart and zoom out to. You can even do like regular trading hours instead of extended. We're definitely going to hit 55s.
Yeah, I don't like this rejection on the 2-minute. This is so ugly and aggressive. I just like that it came right into volume point of control right here. But yeah, it probably needs a bit more room. I don't like it. I'm actually going to cut this early. Rarely. Very rare me cutting something early.
That's a
but
good
I see
cut.
what you mean. I see what you mean.
Yeah.
There's just too many levels below. This area is going to be really tricky to get involved, especially to snipe it, quote unquote. But no, I agree with you. Especially this 2-minute, dude. Holy shit. That was a good early cut.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, but now we're coming into my real level here. The 255. This is near-term volume point of control and prior day low. I want to see an overshoot of this. See this barely hold here. I'm looking to get re-involved. Let's see. I'm in.
Order filled.
I'm going to add to this.
Order filled.
I want to go a little bit heavier here because I really like the location attempt. No.
Order filled.
Okay.
Yeah. This thing is going to 220s.
Fast. It just wants to overtake this liquidity, probably.
Yeah, I think this thing's going to 220s.
See, I have a feeling this 220 might hold though, but I guess it's too aggressive right now. This is exactly where it would, bro. This is exactly where it would. It's the problem. Oh yeah, this thing's fucking heavy.
I was gonna say that boy Brian locked in.
Locked in.
My entry just came on ES. I'm trying to get in.
I'm trying one more time here, dude. You're gonna hate me, Lawrence, but I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, I don't think you should, but go ahead. I don't think you should. But I've been wrong before.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this right here. See if this can hold.
See if we can get back above. We can get back above 50s.
God, dude, just so aggressive, man.
If that shit, I'm telling you, brother, this shit might.
This will be my last attempt.
It might go to 220s, but let's see if we can get back above. If we get back above 50s, I'll be really confident.
Yeah, this thing's fucking cooked, dude.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Hold the line, hold the line, hold the line, hold it.
I'm definitely going short today. If I see my entry, I'm going short. There you go.
Order filled.
But you had it.
Yeah.
It's one of those mornings, huh?
It's one of those mornings. I'm gonna be cooked, dude. I need to fucking chill out after this. It's the hard part, dude. When I have these like fucking 3 levels in this one area, I just it's opportunity for me to try too many times. It's the hardest part. Makes me try like 70 times. No, this thing's gonna fucking wreck me, dude.
Yeah, I was
barely stop me and then fucking hold, bro.
I'm thinking about going short right now. But
Order filled.
All right, dude. You take the fucking screen, bro.
I should have went short right here.
Too aggressive, man. Too fucking
I'm away.
I ain't too aggressive, bro.
I missed my entry. I was trying to get in. I was just trying to get in at 63.43. That thing just kept tanking, and I didn't want to market fill it. Should just market filled.
Aggressive dump, dude. 23.20s here.
Yeah, that shit was definitely going to 20s for sure.
Yeah, I think it's gonna hold 20s though, dude.
I mean, we'll see.
Good. God, it's just so fucking aggressive and heavy.
Yeah. I mean, I marked my levels for well on Qs. I don't know what it is on NQ, but on Qs 560s. We're at 561 right now. So I should have entered right here. Fuck. But it's all good.
Mm.
I should have entered right there. Let me see if it gives me another entry. Another opportunity.
So heavy, dude. Shit is so freaking heavy, bro.
That shit's about to go, bro. It's not done.
So heavy. Taking out priority low.
We're gonna be patient, chat.
Straight down, dude. Really hard rejections here. This is aggressive.
Mm-hmm.
Meanwhile,
Bone
YM's
said he's short. MES. Good shit. 63, 64. Yeah, that was my fault. I should have answered right here.
Yeah. I fucking hate
I knew it too. Yeah, that shit has some more room to go, bro.
Yeah, I might be cooked. I might be just done, dude. Honestly, like I'm already down $800. Like it's just there's too many areas for me to attempt, and it's just a recipe for me to get cooked.
This will be a great time for you to probably not do what you want, but like if you locked it up and then came back tomorrow, that $800 will be easily recovered. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm saying.
Yeah. It's aggressive, dude. Wow.
I should have entered right there. I fucked up.
Oh my goodness, pure dump, dude. Holy dump, man. It's going straight to 100. We're gonna do that? We had a crazy dump rip yesterday at the open and then just dump today at the open straight through. I think that's what we're gonna see at this rate.
Perfect entry.
Well, yeah, you guys are all disciplined. I'm over here just fucking guns blazing.
I wish I wasn't. I should just market.
I always enter at market, dude.
I try to get in at market, but it's like every time I get in at market, the fills are just suck.
Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be exactly where you want. Usually, you are going to have like a teeny bit of slippage or something. But like, I don't know. Damn, this volume is just picking up too. An aggressive VIX is straight up into the air. Wow. Okay. One of those, huh? One of those, dude. Follow through on the SPY dump candle.
I wanted to take this entry but the reason why I didn't is because I was like, bro, this is the 15-second chart. Like, I shouldn't be trading a 15-second chart, but it's so much volume that it was okay. But this is my model right here. I saw it. I was like, I should take it, but 15 seconds. I normally trade the 1 minute. 15 seconds is degenerate.
Starting to capitulate here.
What does that mean to you? You're gonna hop in?
I might try it one more time. This is definitely elevated in volume where it's just like too aggressive. So now.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Right to 100. Right to 100, dude.
This thing is ridiculous, bro. I didn't think it was gonna dump this bad.
Yeah, this is
like really I knew it was going to like I had Q puts on my Robinhood. I just sold for like 40%, but like I knew it was going to dump, but I didn't think it was going to dump this bad. Honestly.
Pretty aggressive.
I didn't think it was going to dump that bad.
On the elevated volume too. This seems so sus to me.
I'll tell you what, if you can catch this, we might be going straight back up. Like that'll be a crazy retracement.
Yeah, that would be ridiculous.
Nope. There'll be something here for you. I'll wait a little bit.
I'm watching for a second. I like it.
Oh yeah, I would take that.
I took it.
150s. I'm
I
up.
took it.
I understand.
The problem is I need to open up my max loss a little bit to let this fully breathe and work. I don't like to do that, but after a capitulation move like that, might have to. Think we're doing it. Think we're doing it, my friend. Think we're doing it. What a fucking 2-minute bounce so far. Yeah, this is a decent spot here. Let's see if it actually holds. A lot of volume coming in. Lot of volume. Lot of volume. Wow, this is going to go it though. Let's see. Definitely where it needs to bounce. It needs a short-term bounce here at minimum.
Tanner fourth quarter game winning drive.
Literally, this is the Hail Mary here.
This is the Hail Mary.
Yeah. What a dump, dude. So aggressive. This 2-minute hammer is really nice, though, if we can follow through back to the upside.
Let's check it out.
Pull it up. I mean, I could show
that is pretty.
Now,
if we get above 181s, oof, that'd be nice. That would be really nice. Like, I would really like your play if we get above here.
Yeah.
If we get above this 181 area,
yeah,
take this step right here.
I had to open up my stop. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I had to open up my stop in order to try this. Not a fan.
That would be a nice little attempt.
Let's see.
Derek said he's in longs. He's walking away. So he went in long and left.
All right. The long V shape. The long V recovery.
Let's look for it. Let's go.
The long V. God, dude. Definitely aggressive. What's Vix doing? Vix just pulled back decently. My stop's at 88. So it's kind of a big stop.
That is a pretty decent stop.
Yeah.
It's not too far.
I'm still accounting for this to test 100.
Yeah, be patient with it. Let it work.
Yeah. Well, let me show you guys what I'm dealing with. Here we go. Hail Mary. Last one. The last one.
The last of them.
The last of it. 3-minute bar. That's why I got the 100 down here. Stops right here below it. It's a big, decent sized stop, but gotta let it work. If it can work. See, it's not though at all. It's really not. What I like volume wise, we have this type of volume. This is typical like exhaustion volume where you're gonna see some fuckery like down into here. The 2-minute, look at this. So really extended volume and more extended volume on the buying. This might drift down below here and maybe even come into 100 and hold, then go. That's what I'm looking for. That's hoping I stop way down there. Yeah. Or I'm just wrong and it fucking takes me out completely and I'm just like, all right, it's definitely not my day. That's all that can happen. I'm just going to wait and see now. This is absolutely my last trade. So I do not do good on these type of days, to be honest. Awful 15-minute bar.
You said the 15-minute candle is ugly. That shit is horrid.
That shit is pretty horrid. We need to come back up above 177 for this to have any traction at all, to be honest. Oh, wow. Look at this. 10 a.m.
We get under 63.21 on ES, I'll get short again. I'll try to get short again.
See, this is the hard part. These are really extended plays for me to enter down here for continuations. It totally can work, especially on a day like today where it's so aggressive. Like this totally could work, but
I have a daily level at 63.23, which is the range that we held for like 2 weeks, and then yesterday's low was 63.29. So a stop above 63.29 is what I'm thinking.
It's aggressive.
I'm gonna try the short. I'm not gonna lie to you, and then
I would not try it right now. You're asking to die trying.
Yeah.
Probability wise, go for it. Do whatever you want. This is what kills me.
I agree with you. Yeah,
this is what kills me usually. It could work. It could work, but like my rule, I'm never shorting low a day this extended. No way.
No, I'm not doing it because of that. I'm doing it because this might be a failure to go lower right here.
Yeah.
It's not
we have the 100. Like I
me.
said, this 100 level is so important. It's right below. But this is really, really aggressive. Like,
yeah, this might be the failure to go lower right here. I'm going to see.
I need this to get picked up right here in order for me to survive.
Let's see.
I don't know if it's going to, dude. This is so heavy still. Oh yeah, man, one of those days, guys.
As a failure to go lower, and we'll see if we get a nice little model after this. And I'm going for it.
This 2 minute could look decent right here. Look at this. Failure to go lower here. That's what you're talking about.
Yeah, failure to go lower right there. Look for the Lawrence model.
Back above here, though. We need to get back above 150s ASAP, really fast. A little bit better. I hate how this is doing this because the volume's telling me it wants to turn around here. That's the problem.
I got short.
Yeah, I'm looking at it too, but I need to wait.
Godspeed.
I gotta wait. I
guess I have like 50 points of breathing room right here, but that could happen real fast with this type of move.
I'm trying to see if this was a failure to go lower. That's a big thing here.
Wants to test 100. Yeah, this shit's so heavy still. It's just fighting right here, barely. I think
yeah, I'm gonna go short here. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna go short here.
100. 100's a huge level, though. I wouldn't short into 100, dude. I really don't think it's a good idea.
Well, I'm a short.
I could be wrong, but you can do what you want.
Yeah, definitely gonna do what I want here. He's gonna have to take me out because I'm looking at ES, and I'm looking at spot. I could be wrong. It doesn't matter. It's probabilities, bro. It doesn't matter.
ES could potentially come down to test 6,300 psych.
That'd be a big dump for sure. It'd be a really aggressive dump, but based on how the move has happened, it's not impossible. That's for sure. That is for sure. It's trying. It's a little hard out right here. Drew, NQ testing the weekly 3-bar high play. Or the play high. I do like that. Let me see this. The hard part, though, is just this area. Oh, get all these fucking things away. Yeah, see, it's retesting the highs of these. I do like that. That's a good point, Drew. We should bounce off this level. I like that. I do like that.
There you go.
Okay, nice. I need a 2-minute. I need a follow through here. This looks good. I kind of want to add to this. I need to open my stop up to 2000. Do I do it? Do I do it? I'm going to do it.
Order filled.
I'm going to do it. You're going to hate me for it, but I'm going to do it. Don't. No one do this.
No one do this.
No one do this. Well, I think I need 2100. This is it. Now I'm locking the wrist settings. We're not fucking doing this. That's it. We're not going down that rabbit hole. That's as far as down as I'm going to go with it. Yeah, you guys saw it. I know. Not a fan of it. Don't listen to me. But if this can work, I need this 5-minute bar to follow through and not reject here. I don't know if it's going to. Man, they are really heavy on this still.
This is just a tough spot, honestly.
Well, yeah, you got the weekly high, like Drew pointed out. I think that's that's why this type of degen behavior, exactly why I locked the wrist settings at 6 p.m. open. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I've been really good about it. You guys watch me do it. Like, I've been really good about it. This is the first day I've ever opened them up like this much, I would say, even. And it's just because we're in that area. I should have been more patient, dude. I should have been more patient. On these really aggressive dumps, what I need to work on personally is trying it once in an area and being like, okay, like that didn't work. Like, let me wait a little bit longer till I get some sort of 5-minute signal that we're bottoming. Because now it's looking a lot more decent. Let's try it. It needs to get through this 115, hold above it. At least come up to VWAP, dude. I will say I probably can only target VWAP on something like this, though. I don't know if I'll get a full-on reversal or anything. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Retest the VPOC.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped here.
Yeah,
that was
dude.
my fault.
I
Don't
do
do it,
not
Tanner.
like
Do not comment on my trade, Tanner.
I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything.
Yeah, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate you.
I'm just gonna sit here and drink my coffee.
I appreciate it. I didn't comment on the first 3 trades you took that were diabolical.
I know.
I'm not saying nothing about you. Oh, widen up that stop loss right now.
She's Tanny never be the first guy to the party. I know, Chan. That's a good one. You're right. That's a great advice for trading. That's right. Oh, this is amazing. I survived AMC. I know how to hodl.
That was my fault.
Sorry, dog.
It's okay. That was my fault because I literally said this could be a failure to go lower, and I'm going to look for my entry model. That shit happened right there in front of my face, and I didn't take it.
Yeah, it's tough, dude.
Get his ass.
Get his ass, Lawrence. Oh, man, bro.
Yeah, it's a tough one.
Man.
This is a tough one.
It's levels, dude. It's tough. I don't like this 2-minute.
It is.
It looks a little different on here, but need to see this keep pushing. RTY reclaiming VWAP and prior day low. RTY looks good. We got YM bouncing off of VWAP. Figure out where is this candle. It's right around here. 213.
I think where I messed up is when I missed that initial entry, that very first entry. I said like 3 times, like I should have got in here.
Yeah.
Whenever I go through that, I always try to look for another. I rush the next opportunity.
Yeah, it's tough. I know. That's just what I did on the way down.
In the game, bro.
I know. I gotta manage
Same
this.
thing's gonna happen to me. That first entry was the best entry.
Let's see if this first 5-minute candle breaks the high straight push to VWAP. There's no liquidity in his leg coming down. Yeah, I think we should come. I don't know about all the way to NQ VWAP, but I think at least QQQ VWAP, which is coming up here. It looks like it's right around 213 area. It's right around here, 211, 210. I'm going to be smart because I'm already down so much, and I'm going to take off
Nice.
at least 5 here. At least.
I like
Honestly, I'll probably
like
take off
that.
more. I think I'm going to take off 8 into this. See if
That's
we can
what's
get
up, bro.
213.
I
See if I
like
can
that
knock it
play.
edged. Yeah. Let's see if we can knock it edged here and go into 213. I just don't want to be that greedy. Might come and retest 220s and then maybe even 250s, which would be VWAP. But this 5-minute bar is now really decent close and strong for the most part. Come straight to VWAP, dude.
Are you selling the last 3 at VWAP?
No, I have. Oh, if we get all the way up to NQ VWAP, I'll offload it there for sure. I don't see this going higher. But now look at the 15-minute, dude. Look at this reversal hammer we got to work with. Not bad. Not bad, my friend. Let's see. Follow through. Come on. Come on. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't.
Lord.
Why here? Not here. Not here. Not here. No, it's still going. You're not done. You're not done. No fuckery. Don't do that to me. Come on. Come on. Come on. This should go to 220.
I'm gonna go long here and then call it a day. If this is a loser, hold on. I gotta wait for a little bit more pressure. This is a loser. I'm done.
Where's your?
I didn't get in just yet.
Okay.
I'll let you know. I need a little bit more confirmation.
Yeah. Man, I hope this doesn't fail here. Barely sweeping this little high. That would show a lot of weakness. I think we should at least come up into VWAP, dude. That's what I'm saying. Get in there. Let's see.
Siri play, don't.
Don't.
No Bryson Tiller.
Oh, this is a little bit lower. This is like 209.
All right, I'm in.
Okay. What's your target?
I don't know. I'm about to tell you right now. My target is second. I'm going for a lot. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm going to see if I can make it to
250s.
Oh no, sir. I'm going higher than that.
Oh boy. Okay.
Yeah, we're going 276.
Okay. I will say
I'm a scale as I go though. I'm not
for sure. Scaling into VWAP and this 250 area would be really good because this is also near-term volume point of control. It's that confluence I talked about yesterday. So I think scaling some into 250 area would be smart and then let the rest potentially go if we can get up there. Come on. I knew something was up with this volume, dude. I'm getting better at reading this shit. Capitulation volume, failed attempt to go lower, reversal.
All right, let's see if this works.
See if it works. See if she works, ladies and gents. How we doing? Spot on, typical high suspense drama. Tanner, trade again. Yep. I love these movies. They are. I know. Sometimes my trades are like that. I'm like, dude, I need to breathe a little bit more. Relax, man. All the testosterone's going to my head. All right, coming up to 200 here. This thing's going to hit VWAP and reject. That's the only issue. Like, I hope we can at least get a spring into 213. I have a feeling I'm going to get edged here at 213. I got a bad feeling about it. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Here's 200. Flirting with the 200. And we got the 9 EMA as well.
Let's see. I think we're going to pull back one good time.
I know, me too.
I think that we still get it. It's just we're going to pull back one more time decently. Don't.
I'm going to look to cover some of this here. I don't want to get edged right now. I really don't want to get edged. Don't edge me here, dude. Please. Rejecting the 9 EMA pretty aggressively. It's a big signal of weakness. That's for sure.
I think we might be good. This is critical.
Tanner, what VWAP you're using? Is this New York VWAP or start of day VWAP? This is start of day VWAP on this chart technically, but I'm looking to cover into New York VWAP, which is right around here. I have the other New York VWAP on my other screen. Cover some now. The 5 minutes rejecting. We'll give it one more little push here. I might pull this down. I might pull this down a little bit. I'm not against that. 202. Let's see. Oh, I like this YM reclaim of VWAP right now. It's trying to happen. No, don't reject, bro.
Don't.
I can't let it take me out, though, that's for sure. I'm going to move my stop up.
Down.
One more little bounce here. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're not. Come on.
This ain't looking good.
It's not looking good. It's looking really bearish still.
Looking real nasty.
I mean, it was such an aggressive push down. It makes sense. But.
Don't.
I just don't like when we reject the 9 EMA like this. Aggressive, man.
Don't. Yeah, that's not look good.
Does not look good, dude. Hold this here. Make the next candle green. Next 5 minute bar green. Come on.
No, sir. They're gonna be like, nope.
There's a big 5 minute fair value gap sitting there. I'm just saying. All right.
Not a 5 minute fair value gap.
All right. ICT right here.
Let's hope it goes through.
155. Is that it? What if they IFVG it, dude?
I hope so. Anything that works in my favor.
IFVG would not be what we want. We'd want this fair value gap to hold.
I don't know the difference, honestly. I'm not an ICT.
I don't know the difference.
Yeah, I'm not a ICT, bro. I mean, when you say FVG and IFVG, it damn near sounds like probabilities to me. Like it just sounds like either one can go, and there's no way you
Fair
can really
value gap.
determine which one is which. Like just accept the probability.
Fairest of the value gaps. Hold the bottom of this. Hold the bottom of this. Hold the bottom of this. Hold the bottom of it.
Don't.
Bounce. Give us engulf this bar. That would be really good for us.
Yeah, that'd be dope.
Be really good for us if we can engulf this bar. I don't think so.
Hey. Hey. I think we're on the wrong side of this train.
This is hard, dude.
We may be on the wrong side of this train, chat.
The thing is, it needs one more pullback to fake everyone out and then go. That's the issue now, though. It's, you know, it needs that. If it really wants to go higher, we're gonna have to sit through some sort of pullback. I love this 5-minute bar. I really do. And the hammer and the filled temp, like, there's a lot of evidence still for longs down here. It's not bad.
Here we go. We got a nice little pump.
Yeah.
Pump it up.
We did just pop like 100 points from the low to the high right there. Here to here. 104 to 200.
Yeesh. Pump it up.
Don't forget the turtle stoop.
I need ES to get above
There's
630.
gap. Go
330.
Nah, we don't need ES to get above 330.
Fuck me.
Yeah, no. This isn't looking good.
What was that? Look at
that.
What is this? What is this? What's going on here? What's going on?
If ES fails 63.23, it's going down.
Oh, for sure.
I don't know anything at this point, dude, on days like this. I fucking hate these type of days. I hate these days so much.
Here we go. Come on.
This came up right up to 200 and failed.
Come on.
Push it.
I know, right? Blow on the candle.
Oh my goodness gracious. Come on. There we go.
There we go. Get above 330 there.
There we go. Continue. 2-minute ham skis. 2-minute ham skis. No. Man, this is fucking heavy. VIX is still up 1%. Not really doing much, which is good. Locking out green today. Can't see any setups. Good job. I back that. Good shit. Definitely tricky right now.
Real tricky business.
Sweep into the fair value gap. Should push out of here. I hope we do push out of here, my friend.
There we go.
Give me some. Give me some. Give me something.
They're not going to give it to us.
I know they're being such teases, dude. This is so whack. RTY looks great, bro. I might just switch gears here and go over to RTY.
This is my last trade. I'm good after this. I really traded way too much today, honestly. This was my third trade. I don't really move like that.
Dude, I took like fucking 4, bro, and open up my stop. Very not ideal.
Hey, Brian.
Fuck me, dude. These guys are gonna slowly just nuke this down, feels like.
Yeah, for sure.
This YM looks really good. I really want to take the YM long. If we can get back above VWAP. Dude, they're just gonna nuke it down, bro. They're gonna slowly just fade this right here. I am watching this whole fair value gap scenario. I'm not an ICT dude, but yeah, if we can come down into here and hold in the 150s. I want 220s, bro. Now if this holds, though, I want to go above 213 because I think this is going to pop above VWAP. And go for 220 if this can hold here for whatever reason. Needs to hold. Needs to push more. Needs to push more.
Mm-hmm. Does it give it to us?
I think based on the volume, this actually might be good. I could be totally wrong still, but
nah, they better
I don't
take
know.
it.
It's still aggressive for sure. I'd like this setup right here. Like this right here is like, that's why I'll let this fully play out even. Engulf this 5-minute inverted hammer. That'd be good. That'd be real good for us. Oh man, they're heavy with it, bro.
This shit's cooked.
I don't know. We just gotta wait and see. I'm not an ICT guy either. I'm just aware of them. Yeah, I think it's good just to be aware of them, just like see them here and there. I just don't like these type of
There we go.
Here.
Get me excited.
Nothing until we get back above up here, bro. 188s. This ain't nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, this might be toast McGee's.
Yeah, it's definitely toast.
It didn't even test fucking VWAP, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and preserve my capital. I'm already down 500, so there's going to be a $630 loss, and then I'm gonna call it for today. No, my bad, $860 loss. I'm tripping. I wish.
Trying so hard to hold on to this here and not overthink this. It's really hard. Not gonna lie, guys. Real hard.
We might pop here.
I am waiting on
it. Yeah.
I just don't like how we're getting these mini pops at the lows and then they're just rejecting them right away. Because these type of 5-minute rejections right here lead to like the big death candle of just expansion, especially with these tails and wicks.
They got to go like right now.
They got to go right now. They got to sprint this thing right now. Fucking take it higher, dude. Come on.
They're about to take this shit down.
Yeah, dude. This thing looks so cooked.
Yep. I'm about to get out here. Yep, that's over.
I think if we hold 150s at least. I'm letting it breathe.
I'm not.
I think this is where I turn on Warzone.
Yeah, right. Pretty much.
Oh man, I fucking hate this action. Dislike it.
Come on, go ahead and give Papa a nice little pop. Give Papa a pop.
Pop, 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 pop.
There we go. Let's keep it going though. You don't want to just.
I don't think this is gonna work.
I don't think so either, bro.
I really like YM, dude. I want to take the YM long.
I'm counting this as an L.
I want to take the YM.
I'm definitely counting this as an L.
I want to take the YM long
for
so
sure.
bad. It ain't over till it's over.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna hold it, but I counted this as an L a long time ago.
This YM is finally getting above VWAP here. Okay. 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 Are we going to get any breathing room here?
Let them know you done working. Come on. Let them know you done working.
Keep going. Keep going.
Let them know you done working.
Keep going. Tanner, you should be immune to this shit. Honestly, I normally am, but the fact that I'm already down 1,000, my emotions are going. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to lie to you. That's why. So hopefully that's some
It's
clarity.
okay. And transparency. With all
And
respect.
transparency. Yeah. Yeah. I try, you know.
All respect. There we go.
Okay. Okay.
There it is.
Okay. Okay.
There she
Okay.
goes.
Okay. Are we going to sweep 200 now, though, and fail? Because we got VWAP right above it still. It's like a little lid right here at 202s. Can we get a push through it? It's not really any volume on this push right now. I don't really like that. Okay. Okay. Tape picking up a little bit. Come on. Tape
There we
picking up a little
go.
bit. Tape picking up a little bit. Here comes VWAP right above this, around 202s. Okay. Are we going to get it? Are we going to at least get a cover here? 13 points. Going to get it? Right into VWAP. Literally right into VWAP.
You're going to get it. You got it.
I don't know. We're literally pinning right into New York VWAP.
I think you're good.
Ooh, a lot of rejection here. Oh, wow. SPY. ES. Big push.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
See, that's what I'm talking about. Here's the VWAP, dude. I don't know if this is gonna hold.
Just calm your mind. You good. We're good. Why don't you move your stop loss below that impulse candle where your entry is? We'll break even. Because what are the chances? Let me ask you this. What are the chances of we going below your entry level right now and then popping right back up to where your profit target is? If that happens, what's the chances?
You are right on that. You are right on that.
I don't know about that. I mean, like break even, but you could do that too.
No, I think I'm going to do this.
Yeah. That's
actually, no, I see what you mean. I like this. Yeah, like right here below this bar.
Yeah, because the chances of us taking that out and popping right back up to your profit target is not likely.
Mm-hmm.
We got to go straight there from here.
Yeah, we got to go. We got to fucking run. We got to sprint there right now.
Yeah.
Just hard when we're coming right into VWAP, but I like everything else is getting a pop right now, which is good. And if we can get through this New York VWAP right here, we should at least test 220s and then 250s as the ultimate target. Push through. Come on. Come on. They're really trying to reject it here. They're really trying to reject it. No.
We're good, bro. I think we're going to make it to 50s.
I think it's not bad now. Not too bad. Let's see.
I'm pretty confident. I'm pretty confident we'll make it to 250s. If not, I'll be a little shocked, but whatever.
It's trying. It's trying, ladies and gents. We're trying here. Should I sell it? So we start.
Your emotions are running rampant, and sell it.
Immunity doesn't exist as long as we're human. God, Chan is just a fucking. I love this man. He's just always
immunity doesn't exist as long. That's true. That's
just always throwing gems, dude. I've learned so much from him from Psych, dude.
That was actually a bar, bro.
That was a bar.
Yeah, because we normalize everything.
Volume trying to pick up here a little bit. And it's
What
really
you looking like over there, Brian? Kind of quiet.
Are you locked in, Brian?
If ES gets to 63, 37, 50, I'm gonna be out with my hourly level.
Oh my god! Did I just get edged by one tick, dude? I think I just got edged by one tick, guys. Oh my god! Oh my god! Come on, give me it. Just give me the cover. I think this should go to 220s. Come on, don't fucking do this shit to me, bro.
You're good, bro.
There we go. Give me it. Fucking
Look,
go. Fucking
holy
go.
edged. Holy
Fucking
edge.
go, dude.
Edge Lord.
Oh
Tanner.
my goodness gracious. Okay, we can breathe again. Holy crap. I'm not gonna lie, guys. That one had me on my nerves. So I was down so much.
Look at this. Oh,
okay. Okay. God. Don't be the first one to the party. Wow, RTY with the full V-shape reversal, dude.
This looks like it's about it for me. If we get one more pop, I'm out.
Are you long, Brian?
I'm short.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah, I got short. It was a 3-bar play off of my daily level. I sized down, to give myself some room.
Yeah.
But if it gets back above 63, 37, 25, I'm out. That's my hourly level.
Okay. Yeah. 256 above. Actually, 239 is VWAP.
Unless it wants to edge me on.
Unless it wants to edge me
on the good side.
All right. I don't know. We're pretty strong right now.
Yeah, I think we're going to 250s.
I'm looking to cover all into 247s right here. We got VWAP coming up. The real VWAP here on NQ. It's actually up here. See. Right off the daily fair value gap, your fave. Well, I loved, honestly, what I think the big W was from Drew, this weekly bar. Bigger picture. I loved this from Drew. Shout out Drew in the chat and on with Strong Trading. This retest, right, comes down right into the highs of this weekly bar. It's a big level. We expect buyers to attempt in this area. Then he comes down into it, barely, just perfectly holds.
Mm-hmm.
That's really, really nice. That's what I love to see. Move to break even now. Wow, what a morning, guys. God. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, a nice little pin bar there on ES, trying to pin. $220.
Retest the VWAP right here for next push higher.
That's what it would need. Yep.
We got a nice little baby flash crash right there.
Yeah, baby flash crash.
I think we're going to retest 183 before we go higher, or we're just going to dump. But I think we're just going.
I move my stop to break even for just in case we dump, and I will just take the $250 on the day and then run after being down 1,000.
Yeah,
for sure.
I think that's fair.
I think
that's fair.
I think that's very fair for me to do that.
Yeah, God. That's fair, bro. That's funny. Jesus, Taylor Swift makes $80,000 per day from her tours and concerts.
Oh yeah, Dude, my brother does like lighting engineering for shows, and he
You have
just
a
went on.
brother?
Yeah, I got a younger brother, and he just went on tour with Tate McRae for like fucking 4 months.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and he was like, he just every day is like, oh, I'm in Sweden. Oh, I'm in Belgium. Oh, I'm in fucking Netherlands. I mean, just everywhere. And I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
sick, bro. But yeah, she was making. I don't know how much she was making per show, but it was crazy. But my brother on tour with them, fucking doing. I think he was making like 4 or 5 grand a week doing like lighting stuff for them. So
That's
I was like,
insane.
yeah, I was like, let's go, bro. He's only 23 years old. Oh no, 25 now. Actually, that's right. Born in 2000. Always easy for me to remember.
Logan Paul makes 90K from Prime and content. Leonardo DiCaprio makes 110K per day filming movies. Kylie Jenner makes $172,000 per day posting selfies.
Ugh, wow.
Posting
Jeez,
selfies.
posting selfies, bro. Castanet makes 190K per day live streaming on Twitch.
That's what I want to do with this. Can I make 190K live streaming me with sim accounts?
I know, right? And then
Until
check this out. Check this out. Mr. Beast makes
oh god,
$280,000 per day by pressing upload on YouTube. And Cristiano Ronaldo makes 250K per day as the greatest football player of all time.
it's wild, bro.
That's insane, bro.
Actually insane.
At that point, you're really just doing it for the craft. Like you just, you know what I'm saying? Like you're just doing it because you love it at this point. It's not
Yep.
even, yeah.
Yep.
There's no more goals to
Yeah.
be had.
Yeah.
There's no more goals.
All right, this is going to be one to study, ladies and gents. You have extreme exhaustion move, elevated volume. When I see elevated volume after a really big dump like this, and then you have some sort of signal bar, this is what you want to see. One more failed attempt to go lower after the
Mhm.
capitulation volume. We pop, we get the 5-minute signal, which is nice, which is the hammer here with the follow through bar. Then what happens as we get towards VWAP right here, right? We get a little flag, and the flag follows through. This is bullish. This is bullish for sure.
Will we get the full V shape if you look on the 5-minute chart? If you go to the 5-minute, are we going to get that full recovery?
Well, yeah, I don't know if I call this a V shape necessarily, but
Well, not
I
a
don't
V shape,
know.
but like, are we going to recover
I have
the
no
full
fucking
sell-off?
idea. I think aiming for VWAP here is the smart move. I'm being a little advantageous, even going 10 points higher, to be honest, because VWAP's only at 239. So coming into the real test of VWAP, which is the 239 area, but I have near-term volume point of control again above at 256. So I'm like, all right, maybe halfway in between this somewhere will be good. 247. Take that and call it a day.
That's nice.
Not bad.
I mean, I'm going to sell. I have 6 cons on right now. I'm going to sell 4 out of 6 at 250, and I'm going to leave 2 out of 6 for 277.
Okay. I'm back it.
Move to break even as soon as if I get this clear. If I get this 250 to clear.
How we doing, chat? Caught a chunk of the RTY long. Nice, dude. Miss size though. Frustrating after waiting everything out. Damn, that is becoming frustrating. Y'all should be able to make a bag doing this. Yeah, man, that's what we're trying to do.
I'm telling you.
It takes time. Takes time. Get good.
Yeah, Spreet say he's locked. Good shit.
This 220 area is tricky, bro, because you got this pivot from yesterday. Right into this. Look at this. Right into the lower part of this pivot.
Yeah.
And you got VWAP up here. Confluence this is a really good short area, to be honest. 236. I might just take it all off of fucking 240 and call it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. 235. Oh no, I got 238. Wait, 238. All right. Here it is. Let's see it.
Yeah, you should be good at 238.
Yeah, that's view up. So, and it's like exactly the retest of these little bar lows, open and close bars. I kind of like that. Good confluence area. Let's see.
Aaron said he jumped in long with us. Nice hold.
Nice.
Solid.
Yeah, this looks decent. I think this should continue higher here. What's good, Brian? You still locked in that the short?
Bro,
Yeah, you over there locked in, bro.
Well, I was locked in, dude.
bro, I got stopped out at like the exact high tick, bro. It's something that's been happening. Like, I don't know if my stops are just way too obvious, but like the past 2 weeks, it's like I get stopped out.
Are you an orb trader? Are you an orb trader?
Huh?
Are you an orb trader? Are you trading open and range break?
No, just price action. But
he trades levels.
Yeah, so it's all pivot points for me. So
you might want to learn about sweeps.
The overnight pivot point was 63.37.25. I got stopped out at 63.37.50. Price came to 37.75. So one tick.
Damn. If we're not ICT bros, but have you like, how much do you know about sweeps?
When I use the sweep if it fails, so like, but I use them only on like bigger key levels. So like if it's like a daily level or yesterday's high, yesterday's low, then I'll use the sweeps as an entry point. But as far as my hourly levels, those are just areas of liquidity. Now, I probably should have put my stop loss further, like a little higher, and I'll have still been in this. But I just don't want like a red bus stop loss sometimes. I already sized down to six contracts, so it was a $500 loss. It's pretty good. It's $500 loss is one of the lower loss days for me, so I'm not sure.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's not bad. The only reason why I asked about the sweeps is because like when me and Tanner was trading together live before we went live, he would see me put my stop loss near those pivot points whenever I went for like continuations, and then I would get swept like continuously, like by a tick, by a couple, like, you know what I'm saying? Like I'll just get swept and then it'll continue to go in my favor and stuff like that. So that's the only reason why I asked, because when you use pivot points as like your stop loss, a lot of times that's what they go for, to kind of get those stop orders in to continue to go in the direction that they want to.
Yeah, I kind of feel like that's what just happened now, exactly. Because if we dump here for ES, yesterday's low is like
order filled.
3 points under us right now. If we fail this, it'll go straight down.
Yeah, I think we're rejecting ES VWAP really good. We're rejecting the pivot point here on the 30. I cut it. I'm fully out. I'm fucking off. I'm done.
I feel that.
I'm just done with it. That was too much heightened emotion for me today. I don't need to do that again.
I understand.
I just don't want to do that bullshit. So W's in the chat, but I feel kind of mentally drained because I just was too aggressive. But I'll take it. Whatever. That's $600. Not bad. Considering I was down 1,100 almost. Fuck me. Great recovery on the day. Overstimulated. Yeah, dude. I feel super overstimulated, bro. I'm like, I was just trying in those. That's the hard super. I mean, as you guys know, like my strategy, that's the really hard part, is like I'm trying in these areas where I'm like, okay, we maybe should bounce here, but then we don't. My personal problem is I just want to keep fucking trying versus being like, okay, assess it more, look for more clear signal bars on a higher time frame to at least get something. then take it. That's my problem. That is absolutely my problem. So, oh my goodness gracious. Let's clear this, save this. Boom, boom. We will lock it out though. Absolutely.
Nice.
Oh my God. I just feel fucking drained from that. So we try to do on here though is show you guys real emotions. I'm not like trying to be like, oh, I'm perfect. Boom. Lockout, boys. Locks in the chat, please. That 600 is 2 days of work for a lot of people. You good? Thank you. It's true. Very true.
It is 2 days of work.
Yep. True. See his whole tier.
I'm gonna take control here.
Yeah. Send it.
Yeah. I mean, he's just gonna have to take me out if he's going to.
Yeah, I don't like the pivot rejection here, and then us getting back below view up. But we'll see. God, RTY looks so good, Drew. Did you get all out of that? Tanner, that's quite the recovery. I need multiple whiskeys after that. Yeah, I'm definitely like, oh God. I'm just overstimulated from yesterday. I was telling Lawrence this morning before we hopped on. I just had a long day yesterday of just like working through a bunch of shit and just like getting work done. And I had like a doctor's appointment, had coaching calls, traded obviously. I made a reel, and the reel took me like fucking 2 hours to edit and like chop and do all this stuff. So it just like took me forever yesterday. And then last night it was like 7:30. And honestly, I wasn't done with my review yet. And I was like, dude, and like I try to be transparent. I know I'm the coach, but sometimes I don't always get it done. Like I get it done probably 90% of the time. So last week, I think I missed like 2 or 3 days of not doing review at all. And of course, like, it's been showing. So it was all kind of choppy last week. So last night, fuck this. I'm not letting that happen. I was like, I'm doing my daily report card. I'm getting it done. I'm getting my trade review done. And I did. I'm happy. So by the time I got in bed, I was just like, oh my God, I'm overstimulated. I've been working all day. My brain's been on all day. So I was just cacked. So what was that machine for sleep? But yeah, I'm gonna be the CPAP gang. I got a CPAP, which is like for it's just for like breathing and snoring. They give it to a lot of people that basically snore. What it does is like force air into your lungs to like make you not snore. Because snoring is actually really, really bad for you. It's like it doesn't make you sleep good. It can cause like a bunch of issues and stuff. It's funny. Oh, here's a story for you guys. So I go to the doctor yesterday to follow up because I did the sleep study like 2 months ago, and they were like, "Oh, you got mild sleep apnea. It's really not that bad. You could use a machine or you could not." Go to the doctor yesterday, and doctor's like comes in. It's a skinny older Asian dude, and he was really nice. He's cool. We're chatting, but he's like, so what do you do? And I'm like, I'm a day trader. He's like, okay, high stress, and I'm like, and I'm a competitive power lifter. He's like, oh my gosh. He's like, power lifters have the worst sleep apnea. And I was like, yeah, I understand, like the really big ass fucking like strongman looking dudes. Like, yeah. So he's like, yeah, he's like, normally we recommend lifestyle changes. He's like, you got to stop powerlifting. And I looked at him and I was like, Doc, I was like,
give me the machine.
Not to be disrespectful. I was like, but I'm not doing that. He's like, or we could do this machine. I was like, give me the machine.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, powerlifting. He's like, you could have a stroke. And I'm like, dude, you look like you haven't even benched the bar. I'm like, I'm sorry, but I'm not taking lifting advice from you. Like, that's fucking ridiculous. Like, and so it was just like,
not the bar, bro.
I was like, dude, like, come on, bro. Like, you can't tell me I'm gonna have a stroke as a power lifter. Like, what? It was like that's like saying like, oh, if you drive on the freeway, you might get hit by a car. I'm like, yeah, possible, I guess. So yeah, it tells me that.
You give me? Go ahead. Sorry.
No, as I said, so he tells me that shit, and I'm like, yeah, give me the machine, doc. I'll take the machine.
Yeah. My thing is, why don't he just tell you how not to have a stroke as a power lifter instead of saying that you're going to have one? That's exactly, my thing,
bro. I'm like,
just tell me what can I do to avoid or lessen the chances?
I know. Find a new doctor. LO. Yeah, honestly. Well, this was like a sleep specialist doctor. I just got referred to him because I took my sleep test. So it's like, if It's not my normal doctor. It's funny. My normal doctor, he also is in that same building. He's chill. But I remember like when I wanted to go on testosterone, he's like, I'm not prescribing that for you. He's like, I can't. Like, I can't do it. And I was like, all right. And I was like, he's like, but if you go to like a clinic and get it from them, he's like, I can do your blood work and stuff and make sure you're like healthy. And I was like, all right, I back that. I respect that. That's fair. I was like, makes sense. Cause he works for like a big like medical chain. Like it makes sense. So, yeah,
You're
it just
talking
like,
about mouth tape?
yeah, I've tried mouth tape. It just like, my sinuses are just like, it's mainly my sinuses, bro. It's probably from just like all the weed I've smoked for so long and then going to a party school and, you know, having my fair share of Snow White in my day. And so it's, the mouth tape just like, it worked a little bit, but it's, I don't know. It just like really wasn't doing it the best for me. And I don't really have, like I don't snore like that much. Like I don't know. My girlfriend tells me I don't really snore that much. So, but apparently when I did the test, they said I was snoring a lot. So, all right, well, that's that. Nice, nice pop here, dude. Another flag to pop here. Nice, looking good.
Yeah, stick to the plan.
Oh yeah, no, I know for sure. I cut mine early, but I'm totally content with it. It's okay. If I wasn't down to Falcon, I'd still be in it. Yeah.
That's fine that you did that because you measured your mental capacity and you was like, nah, I can't do it no more.
Yeah.
And that's what's more important.
Yeah. Find a new doctor. I want to try test too. I'm maybe I should get a referral code and get everyone in the group on test. having a stroke from powerlifting, is your blood pressure high or your diet trash? No, exactly. My blood pressure isn't high and my diet isn't trash. So it's like, yeah, maybe his reference is like some big fucking hunky powerlifter that's a corn-fed motherfucker, right? Like those big dudes that live in the South that naturally like come out of the womb and they can deadlift 900. I'm like, that's not me.
Shannon Sharp.
You need to find the strong doctor. Breeze strips for the nose works for me. Yeah, that's good. Just go easy with the Valsalva maneuver whenever you're doing lifts. It's probably the biggest contributor to blood pressure spikes aside from full body muscular contractions. I'm good at the fucking holding my breath. So creating that pressure. So yeah, that definitely spikes my blood pressure for sure. But I take it pretty regularly, and like even being on tests and stuff, it sits around like 130/135 over 80. So it's actually not too terrible. It's really not too bad. Looking good, Lawrence. Looking good, Lawrence.
Until it's not.
Until it's not. Until it's not.
Yeah, until it's not.
I don't know. I think how this is going though, you might get the 250s. You might get it.
Yeah. I'm starting to rethink my plan. Like I don't know. Like I'm selling 4 at 250. Should I sell 5? Because I have 6 on
you
right
got
now.
8 and
I have 6. No, I have 6.
I think you can leave 2. I think you leave 2 with the trail. I'd say if you had 8, sell 5. You want to sell the bulk, but not like fully choke yourself out, right?
Yeah. What was you going to say, Brian? I thought you were about to say something.
No, I just said you're gonna get it. It's
I hope
for it
so.
to come back here, for it to fail here is kind of crazy.
It would be kind of crazy, but it's possible.
It is possible.
Everything is possible.
Yeah.
I don't know. After I get stopped out, I just want to see the market send. Like like when I'm wrong, it needs to follow through fully for me to be like, all right, cool. It was a good loss.
Yeah.
Normally that is. Yeah.
I get that.
Like it holding here and failing, that's what pisses me off. That's why I lock my accounts, so I can't do anything.
I feel that.
That's good.
Ray Lawrence, like you suggested, 10, or should you break even? I'll break even once if because it's acting the way it's acting. If it takes me out. If it takes me out at 4 contracts, like on 250s, if it makes it to 250 and take me out 4 contracts, I'll break even. But as long as it's still in play, I'm not breaking even.
Yeah.
It would be. I mean, it's not a bad idea because I mean, we got this nice little pullback right here, right? Like we got this nice little pullback, so it's not a bad idea to move to break even right now. But
I think where you're at now, I think you should totally keep it under the entry model. Let it work.
Yeah. Also, you got to ask the same question that I asked you, though. If we come back in this area, in my drawdown area below 180s, what's the chances of it popping back up to 250s?
That's
Like,
true.
what's the
I think
chances of that?
I think literally, here you go for all the ICT dudes, that literally right where your entry is at 183 on the 5-minute, that's a 5-minute fair value gap. So theoretically, if that's going to hold, it's going to hold right there, right at your entry. So it's like, where could you really put your stop in that case? And then maybe it pulls back just a little bit below that candle. So I still think your stop here is valid. Like I personally
Yeah,
don't think
I
it should
think
go
this is
below
a better
there.
stop. I think that's a better stop.
No,
But honestly,
I think keeping it exactly below the entry model impulse. Yeah, I like that.
no. So what I'm saying, I'm not going to do that. But what I'm saying is, as far as invalidating my trade, right here would be great, and then also like the low of the divergence, like the failure to honestly, this would be the highest quality. Like if I would have took this trade right here where you took in, because you got in like around right here.
Yep.
If I would have entered right here, put my low at the failure to go lower, that divergence, this would be the highest quality stop loss of the entire trade. But but because I entered up here, you know what I'm saying, this will be the second highest quality, but I'm gonna move it right here, right below the entry model, because I want to manage my risk. Like if I lose, then you know what I'm saying, I'll lose like close to $900 and then we call it for the day.
Yeah, I agree with that.
But this would be like the highest quality stop loss right here.
Tanner, do you ever see stars after a heavy dead or squat that's your warning sign? I actually really don't. I've actually never actually passed out from a deadlift. I've gotten really close, but I've never fully passed out. But I've
Have your nose ever bled?
No, nose never bled. I have mentally gone like getting close to passing out, like lots of times. But I think just anyone holding their breath and creating that much pressure, eventually that can happen.
But I do have low key a condition. Remember yesterday, I don't like 3 highs. If I get 3 highs and haven't hit my profit target, I don't like that. Like we should be. So I don't know. I'm gonna stick to it, but once we get like 3 highs, like one high right here, second high right here, and third high up here, I don't like that. We should be at my PT by now.
What are your thoughts about covering some into, if we pop one more time into VWAP 36s?
I'm open to that. If we make a new high, I'm somewhat open to it. But it's just like in my mind, I know this sounds like real black and white, but like if we pop one more time, I could cover some, but it's like if we pop one more time, the chances of us going to my PT increases.
I understand that. That makes sense.
You know, so
yeah. I think it's just these days are so hard when we're straight up or straight down, because it's just like, especially like this today, we chopped through so many important levels right away. So now on the way back up, they need to all be tested again. That's the classic elevator down, stairs up, right? It's slice through volume point of control, slice through yesterday's pivot, slice through prior day low, you know, all of these areas, and then finally it starts to bounce, and the retest all of those, like there's going to be attempts there for sellers, like they're going to try to turn it around there. So we just have to sit through the digestion of it, which is terrible. If you caught the short this morning at the open, congrats. That was actually the easier play.
You know that is really making me rethink, like just coming in at market orders versus my limit orders. Because it was like I seen it and it was like I was like, if it breaks 63.43, that was VWAP and a continuation candle. That was the move. It's just I pressed it on the DOM, it just didn't fill, and then I couldn't chase it.
Yeah, see, honestly, bro, I'll tell you right now, I never use limit orders anymore. Like it just,
hey guys, I'll be right back. Sorry.
Yeah. Like you got to remember, Brian, like you're trading the most liquid market, like basically in the world. So your slippage, quote unquote, is going to be next to none. It's like there's so much liquidity. So I'm a fan of using. I didn't know you actually only use limit orders. I've never fully talked about that. I wasn't aware of that. I would switch to market just in those type of scenarios because, again, if you miss it over a tick or something, it's like, dude, if you would have just hit market buy instead, it's like it's going to be the same thing. So I'm a fan of that. Like the time I'm really big on using limit orders, usually I really was only trading options because, especially if I'm trading options that were really like illiquid, you would have to put in prices that like you could get good in order to like get a decent spread. Otherwise, you get filled at a crazy area. I've had so many times where I've bought market order on options and I'm down $600 instantly when I bought, and I'm like, what the fuck? Because they just filled me in a terrible spot. Versus futures, they're so liquid that's never going to happen. Like it's almost impossible for that to happen in my opinion. So
I've always just used the DOM. I don't think I've ever actually even told you that. Like I only use the DOM for my entries. That's why I chart on Thinkorswim.
Yeah,
I'm just using the DOM. So it's like
okay.
Wherever the orders are, I go. But that's also how I'm able to like understand where to get out too, because I'll see like the flashes of like 500 at 33 at, I think last week it was like 63.30. It was like three times just 500, 500, 500. So I can see it on the DOM.
Yeah.
But I think I'll try and market.
Yeah, I'm just like, again, like it's like if your worry is slippage, it doesn't really exist that much with like at least with ES, especially like these type of futures, indice futures. So but can we talk about how Lawrence just is like, oh, I'll be right back. This is true commitment to the process, right? He's just letting his trade work. And right now he's just this is the best, right? He might set and forget. Let's see it all play out. That'd be sick if he just doesn't even come back and we just watch him hit TP on everything. That would be epic.
If he hits TP before he gets back, he's goated.
I know. He's like, oh, bro, what? Do you still trade options? I swing trade options still. I don't really intraday trade them anymore. Like here and there, if I would really like the setup, sometimes I will. But what I've noticed is for intraday trading is like, I talk about this with one-on-one clients a lot, is like your brain can only handle making so many decisions. So if you're making, that's why also if you're trading multiple funded accounts or multiple accounts in general, going to trade on this one, then going to trade on this one, and then going to trade on this one, all within the same like vicinity, usually you get smoked doing that because your brain is just trying to make too many decisions and it gets too exhausting. So I'm a fan of just like, if you're intraday trading, pick one account to intraday trade, one asset to intraday trade. That's why with options now, I can swing trade them more and let them work. So. But so far, it's still going. It's ES was a nice little pullback to view up there. It held, starting to push. Much more decent.
Yeah, ES is ascending.
Yeah. Not bad. Yeah, ES is going now. Looking good. NQ needs to get through this. YM's still consolidating. I'm actually glad I didn't take it. Not a lot here. Not a lot here. Not a lot here. Just boring sideways. Guys, real quick, again, check out Top One Futures doing a giveaway Friday on stream. We'll give away 3 accounts. You get a free 150K straight to funded account. Second place gets a free 100K straight to funded account. Third place gets a free 50K straight to funded account. All you got to do is use code STRONG. Buy any account. You can buy an eval if you want. You'll get entered to win. You buy multiple evals if you want. Every entry will be a chance to win a free account. So go check it out. I'll put the link in the chat.
Why haven't I won yet?
You have not won yet. No, we were talking about how funny it would be. We were talking about how funny it would be if you were gone and it just ripped and went straight to your target and you come back and you're like, oh shit.
That would be too much like right. That would make me too happy. The market doesn't like that. But yeah, man. You got any more questions in the chat?
Yeah, we're kind of just waiting this out here to see if it pans out. I'm probably gonna hop off here in a second.
Yeah, I mean, I got called at 12. So I'll just put the trade in the chat so everybody knows. So entry at 23,183, stop loss at 23,150, and take profit at 23,250 and 23,277. Trading NQ, MQ.
The old N Kizzle.
All right. And I need to get something to eat before I got a busy day. Tuesdays are my busiest days, bro.
Yeah, it's just consolidating. I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it here. It's kind of just boring, going sideways, guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching me go through a bunch of stress. Appreciate it. Back tomorrow. Hopefully, no stress tomorrow. That's the goal. If I can get a one and done tomorrow, that'd be so nice. Just a nice.
That'd be beautiful.
I need be more patient to do it though.
Mm-hmm.
So, all right, guys, out of here. Late.